Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up with Netflix. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Netflix website. Once there, you'll see a prominent field where you can enter your email address to start your membership. This is the very first step in creating your account and gaining access to thousands of movies and TV shows. After entering your email, you'll be guided to choose a subscription plan that best fits your viewing preferences and budget. Netflix offers 3 distinct plans to cater to various needs. The standard with ads plan is $6.99 per month, allowing 2 simultaneous streams. For $15.49 monthly, the standard plan provides 2 ad-free streams. The premium plan, at $22.99 per month, offers 4 simultaneous streams and Ultra HD quality. Carefully consider which plan aligns with your household's viewing habits and desired features before proceeding. After selecting your ideal plan, the next crucial step is to create a secure password for your new Netflix account. Choose a strong, unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your information. Following this, you will need to provide your payment details. Netflix securely accepts major credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, as well as PayPal, offering flexible options for your subscription payment. This ensures uninterrupted access to your entertainment. With your account successfully created and payments set up, you are now ready to dive into the vast world of Netflix entertainment. Explore an extensive library filled with award-winning movies, popular TV series, and captivating documentaries. Don't forget to create individual profiles for family members, allowing personalized recommendations. You can also download content to watch offline on compatible devices, ensuring your favorite shows are always available, even without an internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.